Hello guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, let's start with today's news. Alright, so for those who know, they are aware, so Arsenal now remain the only unbeaten side in all competitions. I think Arsenal is unbeaten in 11 games, so far so good. Both the EPL, both the Champions League, both the Cup we just play, they never knock us. We still keep our unbeaten intact. For example, people like Man City, they hope they won't do unbeaten because they don't break Manchester United treble. So that they face Arsenal's 49 matches unbeaten. See, they won't break them, their own don't scatter because they lose yesterday. Liverpool also, we see they won't break our own unbeaten. Liverpool don't do 17 matches unbeaten already, and they don't scatter their own also yesterday. So it is what it is, because when you check yesterday, we see Man City lost at Wolves. Wolves beat them 2-1. We make Pedro Neto, who come go post on social media, say we beat the best team in the world. Yes, that one come sweet belly as it happened like that, and I wish him all the best of luck. So before I go talk about the Liverpool match, let me just talk a few things about Arsenal, because Arsenal defeated Bournemouth yesterday 4-0. In fact, that match was like a training session, because when you watch another kind of 68-70, the Arsenal fan already sing ole, ole, every pass will make ole. For you don't say the match now whitewash. Like, and another thing we make the match be like that is because this Bournemouth no play 10 men behind the ball. They didn't pack the bus. They actually come outside to play. So Arsenal, they always get joy. They always enjoy. Anytime when teams come out to come and play, like the way Tottenham Hotspur come outside to come play, the way PSG come outside to come play. Tottenham Hotspur home, so just unfortunately say individual errors and just kill our game and our lack of taking our chances. We don't convert our chances we come. So I'm just saying, like somebody talk yesterday, say why we say we they enjoy when we're away from home. It's because away from home, teams not really they pack the bus, but whenever we are playing at the Emirates Stadium, teams they will respect us and they fear us. Even Manchester United, but they come and they pack the bus because they don't say at the Emirates Stadium, if you come outside say you want to attack, you go collect. Get so these are some of the issues that are happening. So look, I talk about the Liverpool versus Tottenham Hotspur match yesterday, because after our evening update, I just go focus on the match on the watch up. Now for that match, there are a lot of matters arising. Since the match ended in favor of Tottenham Hotspur winning 2-1, but the major highlights gets 9 billion where they can cancel say na offside goal. This thing reminds me of what happened. Don't forget the match where it happened, but Lee Mason, who was the VAR official, forgot to draw the lines. The player said that against Brentford, where Ivan Toney scoring, forget to draw line to come out the goal as offside. This time around, he forgot to. I don't know who be the VAR official, but VAR did not draw line. So we dey wait for Pidgin to come tell us whether now forget them forget. I mean, that the VAR no work, because Pidgin will be the referee body. They don't come outside to put out a statement, say that they apologize because that Cody Gakpo goal supposed to stand. Yes. So this one I'm medicine after that. Okay, what did the apology won't do for your club now? Share the apology won't give them one more point. Yes, so they don't lose because the VAR, and to say the VAR ruled that in the con score. Who knows what the outcome of the match could have been? Nobody knows. Yes, so I don't just know because PGM called a trend yesterday for social media. So which kind of error be that? Which kind of, because I was waiting to see the line. I know see like even Jamie Carragher herself and even Gardiner with the complaint say say that's in a clear goal, because me say I say that's in a goal, no be offside. But at the end of the day, it was ruled for offside. So it is what it is. No just the word, because PGM said they will investigate the matter and all let us know waiting with the cause. Although they don't agree, say na error. We never know whether mechanical error or human error. They say na error, so the goal that was ruled out for offside should have stood. So let's be watching. Alright, so away from that, so happy new month of October to our dear community members, and happy Independence Day to our Nigerian community members. And that's two things we celebrate. I just pray say this month will be a month of joy. It will bring you so many good tidings for you and your family in Jesus' name, and inshallah, amen. Alright, Kai Havertz don't win the player of the match. So yesterday, Kai Havertz actually won the player of the match. I was surprised because some people don't say the guy don't play well. The guy trying best, play well yesterday. Like People were impressed. Fans waiting for the stadium, they were happy. Arsenal fans globally actually voted for him and gave him player of the match. So it shows we are very, very happy with him. So this is what it is. I just pray for him. Like, I'm one of his strong supporters. I want to make him succeed for Arsenal. That's how much I want, because now our player in B. What does they say, CHUKS? Like somebody mentioned in the comment section, say, CHUKS, your player don't score. Papa, not be my player, now our player. If he score, if he do well, now for our own good, not be for my own good. So we need to rally around him and give him all the support he needs. See the way they celebrate yesterday, not saying they shy, not even if he celebrate, like just they weak, but at the end of the day, the players rally around him, like come on, they were so happy for him to score. So after the match, I they ask Ateta about the media set to say, I ain't take see players with them injured like Saka, you get. So back to say Saka own, say never really know what is up, say he feels a stamp, like a stamp on the leg, so they go assess Saka. Call even the talk say Gabriel Susef, call the limp at the end of the day, so they never really know. So we'll try to recover. But for me, I feel they will do okay. Highest, they will rest them against RC Lens. Back our second level, good there, knock the IRS, will be RC Lens in the scheme of things. So just rest our players. Even if we want to lose, there no yawa, you know, spoil our topping the group. Get, I don't even see us losing. Highest, no way they will collect draw. Our focus, our attention should be on this Man City where they cap us with 1 point now. Man City don't lose back-to-back 2 games. They say Pep never lose 3 times in a row. So we must make sure say this match will fight tooth and nail, because then we'll carry all their armada. They come here because they don't want to lose. They feel can't settle for draw. You see, say this Haaland done the missed chances like mad. The guy don't miss like 9 big chances so far. In fact, he has missed more chances than the goals he has scored. Not be just small chance, like big chance, one-on-one on the platter of gold, he miss them. So that's why they be. I don't just know why the guy don't want the better this season compared to last season. Say they take high. See, probably because Kevin De Bruyne no day, so those assists don't dry up. Kevin De Bruyne no day, Bernardo Silva no day. Get so I don't know. We'll just watch out. Everything will turn out, but all my attention will be really RC. There should be RC. Don't concern me and them. My focus now this Man City. If we rest players here, back all of them will play. Even Pep said go rest players for the Champions League match. I do me at the same. The way we didn't rest Eli Haaland for cup match, play him against Wolves. At the end of the day, still lose the Wolves. So what's the point? The guy they ask Ateta, say, what is the biggest challenge for this one Arsenal? So back on the say our biggest challenge is to play better every day, create more chances, and concede 0 chances. You know they talk about conceding goals, conceding chances that will lead to goals. Why you don't let the opposition create chances? I want to score. So that is what we're trying to do. And when he says those kind of things, what it means is we want to be keeping clean sheets, especially at the Emirates Stadium. That place we always find it very, very difficult. Fulham don't breach that place. Tottenham Hotspur don't breach that place. Like Manchester United breach that place. So we need to start keeping clean sheets. Very, very key. Get away from home, fantastic. We play very, very well. In fact, this season we never even concede away from home for you to know how good we are away. Because when we go away, the teams know the park bus for their home. Now you can't be parking bus in your home. You are going to come outside and play because your fans will be spoiling you on. Say, may not complain. But when we are playing at the Emirates Stadium, they will come pack the bus. You get now our own fans will come and ginger us. But we'll go forward. So when we go forward, before you know they'll counter us. In fact, most of the goals we'll concede for the Emirates Stadium, most of them are even individual errors or lack of focus and awareness. Get we know close down spaces so supposed to close down. So that's just the way me I see. But at the end of the day, we just watch our things going forward here. Our many Arsenal supporters when they ask Ateta say why drop Saka for Nelson. You get say maybe we'll drop Saka, we'll go win this one, that one. Say Man City don't lose. See, people need to understand one thing. We say now we talk from the power of hindsight. What if to say we'll play the Nelson and the corner course? Because you can't be speculating one way. That's the danger of one-sided speculation. People don't say so for no play Saka, so for put Nelson because of this Saka injury. I quite see your points. But look at it from this way: if the so put Nelson, would the outcome have been the same? That's number 1 question we may ask. If so put Nelson for win 4-0, the baby Saka come from the bench. You and I don't know because it is in the realm of speculation. What if so put Nelson at the corner course? We know if you can't struggle to score. Nobody Saka open the scoring. Nelson for open the scoring. Would Nelson have been in that place when they scored to cross the ball? Maybe not that. So these are things that are just there for assumption. We don't really know how it will be. So what could take the win or win? You see, I was saying this match will play now. People don't understand that match was a must win. I don't know why I talked to you, but I said it. The pre-match analysis that this match it's a must win. We must win it. I never ever saw Man City the losing against Wolves. Like what Basato talk, himself no see him. And I believe so many Arsenal fans no see him. Because for the first half, when Wolves they win 1-0, when I talk say I monitor the match, I know a lot of people for the comment section, both internal pundits, everybody says CHUKS they will come back. I know Man City, this and that one, that. In adult CIB, no match for this EPL be small match you get. If you do anyhow, you go collect. See the motivation with Pedro Neto, Kunha, and Chan. And you know, Pedro doesn't follow concern because for the media setting, he got to analyze before the match or pre-match conference. We got to analyze how the match because of his Wolves get individual players. He can call Pedro Neto, he can call Kunha. Then you know, come mention that Korean guy. He can say and the Korean guy, that's Chan. He gets the guy say, hey, so you don't know me, Abi. You will know me today. The guy score the winning goal for the post-match conference. If Pep can talk about the match, Pep can mention the guy name. So because it's in trend. Even Wolves gone for the social media handle, they can post and the Korean guy. The guy let Pep know say, you don't know me today, Abi. Then I say, they are very, very good on the board. They are very, very fast. And that goes to show you, say, what thing I talked before the season started. I told you all that this Man City is weaker this season compared to last season. There is no way you lose a Mahrez, you lose a Bernardo Silva, and you tell me, I say Bernardo Silva, you lose a Gundogan, and you lose a Cancelo, and you tell me say you stay strong, you still strong, and you buy a Gavdol, you buy a Jeremy Doku, Matthew Nunes, Kovacic. These people are not in the same caliber as the ones we don't come out. That is just the truth. Get so it's not easy to replace a Gundogan or to replace a Mahrez. Get so that is what Man City is facing. So this time around, it's just unfortunate. Or else they have we come do say Man City is not going to win the league this time around. We're going to stop them. They languish. The whole league is depending on maybe Arsenal and Liverpool or maybe Spurs, because now Spurs are the outsiders. They are wild cards. Nobody saw them coming. Look at the way they dispose this Liverpool side. Ange Postecoglou, this man, whether you like it or yes, is a very, very good manager. See how he transformed Spurs without a hurricane. They're playing beautiful football, scoring goals are plenty, doing the inverted fullback role, playing very well. Look at how Udogi. See how the guy hold down Salah. Salah no see anything. Okay, so just this season is going to be different, but one thing is certain: Man City, Arsenal, Liverpool is going to go down the wire. These are the title favorites for me. I don't know you. For me, title contenders: Man City, Liverpool, then Arsenal, then Spurs outsiders. Okay, so that's so me I see about just the watch. Alright, so Piers Morgan said Concourse changing opinion on Kai Havertz after Kai Havertz scored his first goal for Arsenal, and when people did celebrate around them. Back on tweet say Kai Havertz scored, I have never doubted him. In as much as I know see that one a lie, because I dey follow Piers Morgan I get notification for him handle, anytime post I dey see and the guy don't blast Kai Havertz question why we spend £60-something million to sign the player, but now the player don't score, he turn the supporter back. And that's how Arsenal fans are. If this Kai Havertz now start to score goals, now they give assists now, everybody will start to love him, which is the way it is. But that's not how it's supposed to be. Even if you know the play well, show him support. That's why we are called supporters. That's why we are called fans. We know if they follow outsiders, if they berate our players, come follow, they knock him down. Supposed to lift him up, support him so that he will get better. That is why I did very, very happy saying win the man of the match, the player of the match, Arsenal fans. So Arsenal fans, so now I vote for him. Now, do you even know that Arsenal fans don't create song for Havertz yesterday? They create song Jamina Mina Waka Waka 60 million down the drain. Kai Havertz scores again. So I don't hear the song. If you watch that match yesterday, they singer. They just created song for him to uplift his confidence and ginger his morale. That is what fans do. Don't say fans over the side of the world now when they berate the player, they scatter. Even when he play well, we will scatter. So we need to learn how to uplift the player because he needs all the support and love he can get. Alright, so Mikel Arteta said when you talk about Kai Havertz for the media set, so back on say if Kai Havertz for in life ever, the doubt, the love we Arsenal fans get for him, say that yesterday match, which is the show, so all those doubts, it don't come up for your mind because now you don't the evidence say Arsenal fans really love him and they want him to succeed. The coach, the coaching staff, even in teammates actually wants him to succeed. Look at how they celebrated his goal. Like they rally around him, the fans they sing the song, they can't even give him player of the match. What more sign and symbol or indices do you need to know that this boy is loved at Arsenal? So I just want to just let married and back. I don't put him on the transfer wish list. Dead on arrival, they go anywhere. So if you think maybe Arsenal will sell Kai Havertz one day, Baba, dead that thoughts. Arsenal know the seller because our player is here to stay and we are here to give him all the love and support. I thought I just they happy. You know that when they talk, so the fans and the players, they actually showed empathy. They put themselves in his shoes, and at the end of the day, now Arsenal are going to win. So I just have to say, you don't break the deadlock. When you score, we just say commentators say you don't need 20-something games, you never score. As in they compare Arsenal and Chelsea, join together 20-something. In the last 20-something games in club football, he never scored. Yesterday, he now broke the deadlock. So everybody they wait for Mudryk now. Maybe Mudryk said break your deadlock because as Kai Havertz score, he called a trend for Twitter. People say Havertz don't score. Mudryk how far are you with the wait for? So it is what it is. So my dear Arsenal lovers, you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. You see the thumbnail. Click and so I get all Arsenal update as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. And get out and happy Sunday.